Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy UC with Binance. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified and funded with the cryptocurrency you intend to use. Next, you'll need to identify the specific game or platform where you wish to spend your UC. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it easy to get your in-game currency quickly and securely. Let's get started with the essentials. Once your Binance account is ready, head over to the P2P trading section. Here, you can find sellers offering various digital assets, including gift cards or direct UC top-ups for your favorite games. Always check seller ratings and reviews to ensure a smooth transaction. Binance's escrow service protects both buyers and sellers, making the process safe. Remember to communicate clearly with your chosen seller. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. On another note, are you tired of messy lunches? Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, just like we're organizing your UC purchases. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After a successful purchase on Binance, you will receive either a redemption code or confirmation of a direct top-up. Navigate to your game's official redemption website or in-game store. Carefully enter the provided code, ensuring accuracy to avoid any issues. Once redeemed, log into your game to confirm the UC has been credited to your account. Enjoy your new in-game currency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.